what I've been teaching for a long, long time. I've studied with Bob Proctor of the movie The Secret, and Mike Dooley. He was also part of the movie The Secret. Infinite Possibilities, Thinking into Results. And over the years that Tasha and I have known each other, we've realized how much she's been very, very yoga and the vegan cooking workshops, wanting to do that. We've worked together for, must be about 4 years now. And this was just a real big dream for her, to do the cooking workshops together with her yoga, and then me to come in and talk about, it's more of the mindset part of things and getting real deep into that part of it, but how the yoga and what I teach really do, they overlap and they just fit together. They just completely fit together, and all the balance part of it that goes on between yoga and all of this. And it's really, the main thing that I teach about is finding your greater higher purpose. And you're always growing. You're always in growth. And what does that mean from here for you?